Good morning. This is another Wednesday, January 2026. A Wednesday where we're coming out of the storms. It's still cold, but maybe the snow and the ice have melted where you live. Maybe cars are moving around again and people are going back to work and going back to school. I want to talk about the preparation. These are all lessons that the Lord has taught me this week. One of the Facebook posts I saw said, get all your devices charged, your laptop, your tablets, your phones, whatever you have, buy the battery packs. Get yourself repaired. We need to get everything plugged in, get it ready to go. But guess what we didn't hear? Plug into your power source. Before we start getting all riled up and anxious, it's important that, yes, we listen, we trust, and we obey. But there's no one better to listen to than the Lord. He is our power source. We can plug into Him anytime, day, noon, night, morning. He's always available. You don't have to have one of the little charge boxes. You don't have to worry whether it's a USB-C or whether it's an A. Maybe you can't find that power bank that you bought 3 months ago in anticipation of winter storms. But you can call. In Hebrews, it says we can come boldly before the throne of grace. Now, today's lesson comes from Acts 17, and it's verse 28 that reminds us that it is by the Lord that we live and that we move and that we have our being. Paul and Silas had been preaching, and Paul found himself at the top of Mars Hill, and he said, "Hey, you men of Athens, I perceive that you guys are just a tiny bit superstitious here." He said, "Because I passed by and beheld your devotions. You've got an altar with the inscription that says, 'To the unknown God.' It's like you don't know who you're serving. But I need to tell you that there is the God. It's the God that made the world and all things therein. He is the Lord of heaven and earth, and He doesn't dwell in temples made with hands. Neither is He worshipped with men's hands, as though He needed anything from us. God doesn't need us. He wants us. He craves relationship and fellowship with us. But He doesn't need us. He hath made of one blood all nations of men to dwell on all the face of the earth, and He hath determined the times before appointed and the bounds of our habitation." So, God knows what color you are. There's not one color better than the other. God knows what geographic region He put you in. He knows the parents that He gave you to, a steward. He's not surprised one bit, and He did not make a mistake. So as we're plugging our devices in that need the electrical currents, and then when the power is off, we don't have that. First, let's plug into our spiritual power. God, what is it that you want me to do? Show me how to get ready for this day. Because He said, "Sufficient unto the day is the evil thereof." One day at a time. Lord, what do you want me to do? Who do you want me to speak to? What do you want me to say? How do you want me to be your ambassador? Create in me a clean heart, Lord, and renew in me a right spirit. Why? Because Acts 17:28 says, "For in Him we live and we move and we have our being." Paul preached the gospel was kicked out of one place, went to Berea, and then the people were like, this is some sort of babbler. We got to hear more. What's going on in this man's head? But he was able to share. You have an inscription set up there that says, to the unknown God. I want to introduce you to the God that I know, the all-powerful, the almighty, who created me, you, and everything else. Let's not forget to plug into our God. He is our power source. Acts 17:28. I love you. The Lord loves us. He so wants us to love one another. And God willing, I'll see you the next day. Just have a wonderful Wednesday, please. Bye.